Elevate your skills with the ultimate tiny FPV drone experience. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of tiny FPV, first-person view drone racing? If you're passionate about drones and eager to explore the exhilarating realm of tiny FPV, then look no further. I am here to introduce you to an extraordinary opportunity, our FPV drone course. Here are 5 great reasons to choose our tiny FPV drone course. Experience the thrill. There's nothing quite like the heart-pounding excitement of flying a tiny FPV drone. Our course will immerse you in the adrenaline-pumping world of FPV racing. Expert guidance. You won't be learning from just anyone. You'll be guided by a seasoned drone instructor with years of experience. We're dedicated to helping you master the art of tiny FPV flying, ensuring you're in the best hands. Cutting-edge technology. Our course is designed to keep you ahead of the curve. We'll delve into the latest tiny FPV drone technology and equip you with the skills to harness its full potential. Deep thinking and strategy. Tiny FPV racing isn't just about speed, it's about strategy and precision. We'll share our deep insights into the tactics that will give you the competitive edge. Networking opportunities. Connect with like-minded enthusiasts and professionals in the drone industry. Build a network that will open doors to exciting opportunities in the future. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to unlock the full potential of tiny FPV drone flying. Whether you're an aspiring racer, a hobbyist looking for the ultimate thrill, or someone seeking a new career path, our tiny FPV drone course has something for everyone. Join us, and let's take your drone flying skills to the next level. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the tiny FPV world. Enroll today, and let's take flight together.